Here I have Huawei Y7 and let me show you how to reset all the settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you have to find and select the settings list right here. Scroll down and choose advanced settings. Scroll down again and under others let's tap backup and reset. Then choose reset all settings under personal data. Let's read the information. Settings will be resetted and it will include all network settings, screen lock, passwords and other. Let's tap reset all settings and tap reset all settings one more time. So let's just wait until the device resets all settings. Alright, as you can see, the operation is done. You just restore all factory settings. You can use now the default settings of your Huawei. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.